Ano itong naglalakad sa paligid? Ano yung kinakain niya? Ano yung kinakain niya, nak?
Seeds.
No. What you doing? What is this? Duck or geese?
Ano monkeys?
What's the difference between geese and duck?
Geese are bigger.
No, they look like the same as well.
Okay.
What are you doing there? There are three? Oh yeah, there are three.
Three.
There are three geese in the playground. What are you doing? You're not scared to people? How do you fly? You fly like a duck or just fly too high? Oh my. What are you eating there? Oh, they're not scared. They're near in the road. The one is so serious eating on the grass. And this one is looking for a grass reel. They're not scared to people and on the road and on all. We're looking for a lot of geese, but I know there's a lot of geese there because there's a fan, I think. Right.
Ganda ng animal. Huliin natin na. Takbo tayo, tapos huliin natin.
No, we can't. We're supposed to have a license doing that. Alright, thanks for the views, geese.